Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to generate the extent reports for the automation. Generally, we will write a test case. For suppose this is my test case. If I run this, it will pass. It will show run one and pass and zero is fail. So this kind of test case we will have. So for I will just show you how the test reports will be. Okay. Let's open this and I've already created one test report, extended report. So I will take that and I will show you for example. So this is how the test reports all looks like, and it will show what how many test fails. With the screenshots also it will available and pie chart, started time, end time, what is timeline and everything. Even what is the failure here it will display. Okay, so now let's create the test reports. Okay, for this you need a dependency called extend reports. Remember com.av and stack extend reports. Okay, so copy this and paste it in your dependency. Okay, yeah, I have a extend report dependencies. Now let's write a, so this is what one test case. Okay, now in to create generate extend reports we need one two classes. I will show you that. This is one time process for config. Okay, here two classes are important. What is one is extent report and another is extent spark report. These two objects we have to create. By using this we will create that everything. So let's first where we need to save. We need to save in this, right, this local repository. For that we have to pass the string system dot get properties user dot dir. So this will represent the local, which means within the project that that file will be saved. Okay, and I want to save it in reports folder. So what I will do, I'll do double slash reports and my file name is just I will mention test report dot html. Okay, now you given where you want to store. Now next is we need to spark that report. So for that we need one class called extend. We are creating an object for extend spark report. and here you pass the path file. Then we will have, see here, in this we have a web automation results, right? This we will change. Okay, we have many methods useful. I'm giving one example one so that you can explore more. Report config dot set report name, or you can see many sources, reporter name and report name. Here you can see reporter name also will be present. Okay, so now I'm giving set reporter name. The reporter name this time I'll keep sanity test. Okay, next we have to another reporter we need, so extend reporter. Yeah, extend reporters. Hmm. So this will spark that report and this will generate that report, and by using this you can do many operations. Attach reporters. What is our reporter? He is our reporter, right? So we'll keep this now. um, Extend, even we can save the screenshot. System info information is, I will keep tester, and my name I will keep Shivamani. Okay, so this is the only method you should use now. Now after that you should extract, you should use this variable and create the extend text. Extend extend test equal to, this will, whatever the test you have done, you are importing in the text method and then you are generating. So text test equal to new, sorry, not new, this we need because it is generating, right? So this we need, but this won't allow because this is in local method. So I will keep this variable as global and can remove this. Now I can use this extend dot mm, create test. And what is my, see here, the title name is, not title name, yeah, the report name is a test demo. Okay, so now I will change this as a sanity demo, something like that. After creating this you have to flush it out. Unless you flush, it won't finish. Okay, so what you should do, you can also add a screenshot or whatever you want. But for now I'll just giving a support test dot add screen capture. Hmm. Okay, this I will tell next lecture. For now we'll just extend dot flush. Unless you do this, you can't generate anything. Okay, so let's run this. See, it says test one pass. Okay, fail actually. Why? You see here, null point exception cannot invoke. This dot extension is null. Okay. Yeah. Why? Because we are not giving a, see, before executing this test, we have to execute this method. Then only that will be work. So we have to write before method. So this after in TestNG, whenever the execute method exists, if it should execute means this definitely should execute. Now you see the magic. Now I will run this automatically. This test case will be passed. Okay, and then the report will be generated with their desired name. Okay, action was done and pass the report. If you refresh here, the report also generated with whatever the name we given. See here, test reports. See whatever the name we given, and if you open this, you will see sanity demo, the same name we give, whatever we given here. So this is how we can generate a reports in automation. So it's very easy, right? And you can, I am going to tell you more and more in upcoming lecture. For now, this is easy to remember and implement in anywhere in your test cases. Okay, thank you.